Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bonk on Coinbase Wallet. To be able to get this done, open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. So once on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down till you find the Solana contract address. Copy the Solana contract address. Once it's copied, minimize and open up your Coinbase wallet. Now, once you've opened up your Coinbase wallet, please take note that you're going to be needing some Solana tokens to be able to perform the transaction, such as buying the Bonk token. So all you need to do is click on the receive icon and simply click on other assets and select Solana. Copy your Solana address. Once it's been copied, make sure you have a way to send the Solana. If you wish to deposit, you could use the receive icon, or you could click on the buy icon and simply, in place of the network Bitcoin, scroll and select Solana, and you could be buying Solana using your credit card via the Alchemy Pay option. This is where you simply make use of your credit card or your Google Pay card to make payments and get the Solana for $100 worth or less. You could go for $1 or 10 or 15. So guys, another option of getting your Solana on your wallet is to simply receive from a wallet. That's an external wallet. So minimize and open up a Phantom wallet or wherever your Solana tokens are stored outside of the Coinbase wallet. For me, it's a Phantom wallet. And once it's opened up, all you need to do is quite simple. Click on the Solana token that we're sending some Solana. Click on Solana, click on send, paste the address we have. That's the address we copied from the Coinbase wallet. Enter the amount of SOL you wish to send and simply click on send. By doing this, you get to send your Solana tokens from here over to your Coinbase wallet. And once you've opened the Coinbase wallet, you'd find your Solana on your wallet. So guys, once you've deposited some Solana on your wallet, head to the browser icon at the bottom of the screen. Where we have the search or type URL, simply search for jupe.ag. And once you've typed in jupe.ag, you'd be taken to the Solana platform known as Jupiter DeFi. So this is the Jupiter DeFi. Click on connect wallet, select Coinbase wallet, and your Solana wallet on the Coinbase platform has been connected. All you need to do now is switch their places, and in place of Solana, we could be getting some of the Bonk tokens. You could simply search for Bonk or paste the contract address we had copied from coinmarketcap.com. So once you've pasted it, enter the amount of Solana tokens you wish to swap for the Bonk. Click on swap, confirm the transaction in your Coinbase wallet. As you can see here, everything is shown, the transaction details, everything you need to know. Click on confirm, permit the transaction to go through, and it says processing, confirming, and the transaction has been confirmed. Now, if you head to the assets menu, perform a simple reload, updating balance, and you'd find that the Bonk token is now available on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer.